He's been writing me for a long time. Big Bear Slayer of Wizards. Here we go. Beautiful picture. Wow. Great family. Legends. Dear Big Bear, this letter will be broken up into 3 parts. A sincere thank you, a deeply moving experience with God, info on the stuff I've sent. No amount of words will ever be able to fully encapsulate how deeply I appreciate everything that you've done and continue to do. Without going into my life story, I'll just say that after a bike thief on PCP hit me going down the wrong side of the highway and left me with 9 herniated discs, a crushed spinal cord in 3 locations, and a severe case of legitimate PTSD and anxiety, I let myself slide into a life of depression, anger, and general reprobate mindset for many years. My marriage was a shell of what it once was, with mutual resentment and barely anything left to hold on to. And I was a shell of the man I once was. Oh, this is from, I thought this was from Karen. I opened the wrong box, I think. Who wrote this? Oh, it's a dude. Sorry. Not Karen. Beautiful family. I stumbled on your channel at a time where I was in serious need of hearing the hard truths I wouldn't allow myself to see. In one of your streams over a year ago, while talking about porn being a weapon, you simply looked at the camera and said, "Be stronger." I know this might sound silly, but it changed my life. My dad left when I was 12 for another woman, family, and being the oldest of 3 boys, I was thrust into the man of the house role with no role model of my own to look up to and learn from. I gave up my addiction, and it changed my life in more ways than I can begin to express. Everything in my life got better. My relationship started to heal. My anger and depression subsided, replaced with a new optimism and appreciation for life. Number 2, fast forward, my wife and I have gone over 10 years without any form of birth control, and we're actively trying for our first child for nearly 4 years with no luck. We reached a point of being defeated. I accepted that it wasn't going to happen after countless trips to specialists. I was crushed in a way that I've never felt before. I just hit the holy grail of strength, giving up my addiction and turning everything in my life around. None of it made any sense, but we moved on with giant holes in our heart and sadness so deep that I truly don't believe we would have lasted much longer together. A couple months later, my emotions reached a breaking point one day while in the shower. I bawled and prayed to God. Every horrible thing I've done in my life, every time I treated my wife poorly, every time I acted in a selfish way, it all ran through my mind at once. I laid against the wall crying and prayed to God to punish me however he saw fit for the person I had been. Dude, I've been there. But don't take away my wife's chance to be a mother because of my mistakes. I have been there, my friend. In that moment, I felt a wave pass. This is so true. In that moment, I felt a wave pass through my body over and over. It was in a hot shower and getting wave upon wave of full body goosebumps. I felt weightless, and I was being wrapped in a blanket of pure love. I don't know how else to word it. No, I get it, man. I get it. 2 weeks later, my wife told me she was pregnant. I bawled my eyes out like a child. God heard me in that moment and blessed us with what we've been wanting for so many years. I now have a baby girl who we affectionately call Little Bear, and I love her more than anything in this world. I had no idea love this deep and pure even existed. I look back now at the life I led prior to her arriving, and it seems like a distant dream. And it's further proof that God is there. 10 months after our baby girl was born, we were blessed with another dude in late July. Oof. This is so beautiful. We were not trying whatsoever. 10 years of no children, and once I changed my life and put my faith in God, we were blessed with 2 baby girls in 2 years. Number 3, I wouldn't have reached this point putting my faith in God without you. I will never be able to thank you for the profound impact you've had on my life, Big Bear. I know you're a pretty humble guy, but credit where it's due. You're making waves in this world in ways that you don't even know. You turned my life around and gave me a strength that I will carry with me until my last day in this realm. Now on to the goodies. I mean, I'm getting jammed up. All right. After the birth of our little bear, I decided it was time to take my woodworking hobby into a new level and start a business to provide for my growing family. In August of last year, I started Little Bear Woodshop down here outside of Portland, Oregon. I spent 2 months, dude, you got to meet up with my buddies. Like, the Redmonds, they're out of Portland, Oregon. It's where I shot my special Reluctant Warlord was in a wood shop in Portland, Oregon. You guys gotta meet up. They're awesome people. Awesome human beings. I spent 2 months completely rebuilding my small dude, they're like the most giving Christian, homeschooled. They have a city block in Portland that they just build wood with stuff with. It's huge. And they gave it to a blackballed comedian to shoot a special in it. It's in my new documentary too. We did a show there. You have to meet up with these people. I spent 2 months completely rebuilding my small shop, investing in new tools, building new shop furniture, building our website, online store. What I've sent you is a small handful of the products I make and sell. Every single thing we make is done by hand, using the best hardwoods money can buy, and finished with a food-safe, baby-safe mineral oil and beeswax blend. You have such a beautiful family, and I hope the cutting boards will help Amy provide wonderful meals for you two and your kiddos. They do need to be reconditioned as any cutting board, so when they start looking a bit dry and dull, just apply a small amount of mineral oil. Dude, I get it. The Redmonds gave me one too. I know all about the mineral oil stuff. Or cutting board oil and let it soak in. No dishwasher, just wash with mild soap and dry with a rag. The pens I've sent are made using olive wood from Bethlehem. It's one of the most beautiful woods I've ever seen. It turns on the lathe like warm butter, but it's hard as a rock. The rest of the stuff I've sent is pretty self-explanatory for all kitchen-related items. Do the same as the cutting boards. No dishwasher, apply mineral oil, etc. No dyes or stains, etc., etc. If you happen to open this on stream, it would mean the world to me if you could give our business a shout-out for the Bears. I put thousands of dollars in 10 to 12 hours a day for 8 months without a day off. Yeah, where is it? Let me just see what it is. It's going to be extremely trying. All right, where's your business name? It is littlebearwoodshop.com, facebook.com/littlebearwoodshop, Instagram @littlebearwoodshop. Thank you again, Owen, for everything you do. I've said it a couple times, but it is appreciated more than you know. May God bless you and your beautiful family and a safe birth of your next legend. Warmest regards, Nicholas, Shayna, Little Bear, and Boydston. P.S. Please verify me as Woodshop Bear. Welcome, Woodshop Bear. Let's take a look at this stuff. Incredible. Again, that is littlebearwoodshop.com. You got to meet up with the Redmonds. You want to talk about Portland woodworking? Want to talk about Portland woodworking? You got to know about the Redmonds. This is unbelievable. Look at these pens. Hang on. Wow, that's awesome, dude. What a beautiful pen. I can't wait to write, how dare you with it. These pens are amazing. I got to keep them the hell away from George. Wow, look at this sweet spoon. Something that I can chase Amy around with. Soup spoon. This is great, dude. This is awesome with a bear insignia on it. Look at this. Yeah, look at the bear paw. So cool, dude. I love this type of work. Coasters. Coasters for when we have our fancy friends over. Dude, check out this family. Awesome. I can show now because they have a public business. It's I almost never show pictures of people, but I get it. I get this guy's vibe now. He's got a whole thing going on, and I dig it. I dig it. Look at this. Boom. I'm about to blow Amy's mind. I'm going to show... Yo, Amy! I'm just going to bring it in. I'm going to lay it down on the table and say, I made all this with my hands. My heart is so happy for them. Yeah, me too. Dude, look at these pens. Hang on, check this out. How dare you? Wow. Hey, goats, what are you guys eating? Some hay? That was wonderful. Yo, follow them on Facebook and give them props. Tell them you saw the stream and show them some love. Tell them to keep crushing. If you need woodwork done, go there. BB, my 44-year-old wife, is pregnant, pulling out us for pussies. Fact. I tried to go there, but didn't work. Well, pretty mama bear, you might be retarded. I'm going to plug it again. It is littlebearwoodshop.com, facebook.com/littlebearwoodshop, Instagram @littlebearwoodshop. Follow it on Instagram. Sweet. Write them comments. Dude, you have to understand, like, that shit helps people. Like, every time you write, keep going, keep crushing, legend, this is great. Dude, it literally lifts people's spirits. Like, don't just, hit those thumbs up. Like put something good back into the world. It's how the gammas and the trolls and the Luciferians, it's how they are succeeding in certain areas of life. It's because they're so good at putting negative into the world. What's the name one more time? It's littlebearwoodshop.com, facebook.com/littlebearwoodshop, Instagram @littlebearwoodshop. Pretty much not retarded. Yeah, I was just joking anyway. Bookmark their site, got some good stuff there, sweet. But again, even if you don't buy anything, just write, heard your story, great, making babies, crushing, the bike thief couldn't keep you down. I'm telling you guys, it means a lot to people. And that's why there's so many troll farms and gamma farms and all this to just spread, this guy's crazy, or you should kill yourself. They do that because it literally does lower people's vibration. Not mine, because I'm just, I don't know. I find it all very funny. Said link was disabled in this chat. Just type it into your thing. littlebearwoodshop.com. Yeah. Me and my wife are distributing CSA boxes to our community, making tacto fetments. Yeah, this is an exciting time because you got nothing to lose. You don't have to, if you can't get a job, if you're a young dude, fine. You got to start building. That dude got hit head on by a PCP'd out bike thief, and he made his favorite live streamer who helped him quit porn a pen made out of Bethlehem wood. Just do something. Engaging with their posts and commenting not only lifts their spirits, but it helps with their algorithmic exposure. Exactly. Guys, I'm telling you, if you want to participate in this culture war, and it is a war, build, support. And you guys are great at this stuff. I got a text today from, get out of here. Hey, goats. From Vertec Tactical.